Hi, welcome to my presentation. My name is Nyla Garcia, and this video is going to be about my trip to Mexico this winter as soon as school is over. So starting in California, we will be traveling from Ontario Airport. We're going to be traveling all the way down into Morelia. There, we'll arrive day 1. We will be arriving and staying in Morelia. On day 2, we're going to be visiting the cathedral, which looks like this at night, and it's Plaza. After that, we will be traveling within Mexico down there, and it's going to look something like this. So my blue line right there is going to show the few different places that we will be going into. Once we make it to Morelia, we will be going to Janitzio. In Janitzio, we will be checking in at Pátzcuaro, and we'll be making a day trip to the island of Janitzio. In Janitzio, we have this big tower. It's this island with a statue that we can walk, the Statue of Liberty. And you can look all down, and it's such a really pretty view, and taking the day to make a day out of it with all the vendors, with all the food, traveling to and from the island is just going to be wonderful. After there, for day 4, the following day, we will be traveling to Arteaga. In Arteaga, that's where my mom's family lives in. I did live out there for about a year, and I did make some friends. So about midday, we will be on our way to Arteaga, where my grandparents live. We'll be there by dinner, but probably hopefully by midday. We'll be there for lunch, dinner. I'll be able to go to the plaza and just catch up with all the family members on day 4. Day 5, I'll get to go to the plaza, go have some ice cream with old friends, make sure I'm back at my grandparents so that I can have dinner and coffee with them along with my cousins. After that, that's for day 4 and 5. Then for day 6, we will be going from Arteaga to Lázaro Cárdenas, and that's where my father's family is. We'll be there for day 6 and 7, visiting Dad's family in the beaches of Lázaro Cárdenas. Something really cool about being able to go out there is enjoying the weather. It's always nice weather. The water is warm, and you can be at the beach all day. So I really do look forward to being at the beaches all day, talking to grandma, my cousins, my uncles. It's going to be a really nice, neat experience being able to go again. And once we go from there, we will be traveling all the way back home for day 8. We will be going back home. Oh, let's see. And that's going to be a trip. I know I will be exhausted by the time of this trip. By day 8, it's going to be a whole week. We will be able to make it back home. And I'll make sure to get a massage before I make it home. And then I'll be able to prep so that we can start a whole new semester.